Hi, I'm Dr. Varudhini Kankipati, a counselling psychologist, and I'm practicing in Hyderabad. Welcome. I'm so excited today because today we're going to be kickstarting our content on mental health. And I was thinking about it last night, thinking, okay, what do I want to communicate with these videos and what's my intention? So I've been teaching for a while. So one of the things that I thought I wanted to communicate was that the mental health is an area that gets least amount of importance, but that's changing, and I'm really grateful that over the last couple of years there's more importance given to mental health. A lot of people have a misunderstanding about what mental health is, and they think of mental health as separate from health. And health is overall mental and physical. Mental health is divided into three parts. What are we to understand with mental health? It's not only about having a mental health disorder. Keep that aside. We need to look at what mental health is. And mental health is divided into three components. One is our cognition, two, our behavior, and three is our emotional well-being. And these three build up our mental health. And this affects the way we think, the way we feel, and the way we behave. And that has a profound meaning for us, right? So if we feel or behave and think in a certain way, that immediately affects how we're going to be able to achieve what we want to achieve. Are we able to take challenges on? And are we able to cope with these challenges? I've never met one person who does not have problems. So problems exist. Life is difficult. I think the moment we are able to say, yeah, life is difficult, and let me understand, how do I prep for it? How do I understand myself? How do I want to relate to the world? We get a better sense of how to do that. So one of the ideas or aims of these videos is that I want to be able to talk about what I have seen through my professional journey, to be able to give you accounts of knowing what people normally come to me with, what are their challenges. And one of the things that I have found is that a lot of times when clients come to me and they talk about what they're going through, they think they're alone in that. And that's one of the biggest misgivings that we can think about, because you're not alone. A lot of times what we're going through is something that is very normal, and a lot of people go through these difficulties. So I really wanted these videos to be, one, telling you that you're not alone, and two, that whatever you're going through, there are ways that we can learn how to cope with it. How can we get the support we need, and what are the things that we can do in our everyday life to make it better. But I think the biggest thing that I'm really hoping to achieve is that we each have a potential for personal growth, and that we can really rely on the challenges that we face to help us grow emotionally and for our overall mental health. Another area that I really wanted these videos to be is that I only see, if a client comes to me, it's for maybe 50 minutes, right? 50 minutes to an hour. So that means that the number of clients I see is limited in my day. And I know that there are more people who need help, who need the support. And so I was hoping that these videos was a way that I could reach out to more people, to tell them you're not alone, that there are ways that we can do something and cope with things, and we can learn about ourselves. So I really want this to be building community in the mental health area, and also we can have a couple of laughs at ourselves, understand what this process is about, look at the irony of life, and also understand how we can keep chugging along and get support from one another. So I spoke about how I wanted to reach more people. I also wanted to talk about what I do as a profession, which is therapy, to give support for people who are going through challenges and adjustment issues. So in that area, I wanted to say that, wherever you're living, sometimes therapy might not be affordable for you, or you don't know where to get the right help. And so I'm hoping that these videos reach more people And in that regard, if there's anything that you feel you're challenged with and you're not able to make sense of it, or you would like to know some coping skills with it, just drop me a message on my email, which I will put down, link below. And please do give me your suggestions, and I would love to do those videos and build on this. The whole point of it is that you should be able to relate to the information, and hopefully it will resonate and you have some tips on how to feel better about it and what to do. So with that regard, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm so excited to start this journey with you. Thank you.